The Secret Strategy to Building Wealth, a Rich Dad Poor Dad Summary. Here are some key points from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. This means investing in assets that generate cash flow, such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. Financial education is key to becoming rich. Schools teach us how to work for money, but not how to make money work for us. It's important to educate ourselves about money, investing, and entrepreneurship. There are two types of income, active income and passive income. Active income is earned through working, while passive income comes from investments and assets that generate cash flow. Building assets is important for financial freedom. Assets are things that put money in our pocket, while liabilities are things that take money out of our pocket. The goal is to build assets and minimize liabilities. The power of compounding can help us build wealth over time. By reinvesting our profits and earning interest on interest, we can see our money grow exponentially. Fear and ignorance are the biggest obstacles to financial success. It's important to overcome our fears and educate ourselves about money in order to build wealth. A job is not a secure path to financial freedom. In fact, relying on a job for income can be risky, as it's subject to layoffs, salary cuts, and other factors beyond our control. To be successful, we need to take calculated risks and be willing to learn from our failures. Failure is not the opposite of success, but a necessary part of the learning process. Rich people focus on opportunities, while poor people focus on obstacles. By focusing on solutions and taking action, we can create opportunities for ourselves and build wealth. The most important thing is to take control of our financial future. We can't rely on others to take care of us, and we need to be proactive in building our wealth and financial security.